Welcome to Japan's new travel rules for 2026. As you arrive at Narita, be prepared for updated regulations that may differ from your previous visits. Here's what you need to know for a seamless journey. Japan's magnetic paper train tickets are being replaced by QR codes in Greater Tokyo. JR East and other lines have adopted this change. Use the flat glass QR scanner at gates. Mobile Suica or Pasmo on iPhone or Apple Watch offers a seamless experience. Shinkansen reserved seat ticketing remains unchanged. Effective April 24, 2026, new regulations limit passengers to 2 power banks per flight, each under 160 watt-hours. In-flight charging is prohibited, with violations risking fines up to 1 million yen or imprisonment. Ensure power banks are in carry-on luggage, ports taped, and avoid mid-flight use. Japan's dual pricing system is now in effect at cultural sites and museums. Himeji Castle's tourist entry fee is 2,500 yen, while locals pay less. Odawara and Kokura castles have adopted similar pricing. Kyoto plans tiered bus fares to prioritize residents and reduce urban congestion. Starting July 1st, 2026, Japan's international tourist tax will increase from 1,000 yen to 3,000 yen per person. This fee is included in your airline or ferry fare and applies only to international departures. Funds will support sustainable tourism, environmental conservation, and expand over-tourism countermeasures to 100 regions by 2030. Starting November 1st, 2026, Japan's tax-free shopping system will shift to a refund at airport model. This change addresses the misuse of the previous system, where goods were resold domestically. For those planning large purchases, shop before November 2026 to benefit from instant deductions at the register. With a 50,000 yen shopping budget, consider 2 strategies. Shop before November for an instant 10% deduction at the register, offering immediate savings. Alternatively, shop anytime and claim a 10% refund at the airport, which requires planning and receipts but offers timing flexibility. Share your preference in the comments. Train gates now accept contactless cards, but it's not universal yet. For Shinkansen, reserve luggage space for bags over 160 centimeters to avoid a 1,000 yen fee. Some izakayas charge for English menus, so inquire beforehand. Also, be aware of rising hotel taxes in various cities. Check policies when booking. On my first day with the new QR gates, I mistakenly searched for a paper ticket slot. A helpful reminder: set up Mobile Suica or Pasmo on your phone before arriving. It's compatible with iPhones, Apple Watch, and many Android phones. This simple setup saves time and hassle at train gates. Prepare for your 2026 Japan trip with this checklist. Set up Mobile Suica or Pasmo for seamless transit. Carry power banks under 160 watt-hours, max 2 units. Budget for higher fees and a 3,000 yen tax. Shop tax-free before November for instant refunds. Reserve Shinkansen luggage space for bags over 160 centimeters. Preparation saves time and stress. Japan is evolving for the better. QR tickets modernize transit, reducing costs. Power bank regulations enhance flight safety by minimizing fire risks. Dual pricing and tax hikes support the preservation of beloved sites, ensuring a sustainable tourism experience. These changes collectively enhance safety, efficiency, and sustainability across Japan. Japan awaits with open arms. Prepare wisely, stay informed, and embrace the journey. For updates, visit welcometojapan.jp. Safe travels and see you in Tokyo!